Slightly Unblended, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. Today I'm doing a little fairy look with the Colourpop and RawbeautyKristi palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm so excited. The beautiful At Forest Sight palette from Colourpop and RawbeautyKristi came in today, and I can't wait to do a look. Look at it. Oh, it's so gorgeous. So, you know, I really like to use as many shades as possible, but I'm just like, there's a few of them that stick out to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I already have my lid primed. I'm gonna take the Colourpop E10 brush. I'm gonna make sure that I have it cleaned off though. I should have done that before I started filming. Anyway, so to start out, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Fiddlehead. I love it. I feel like it matches my top. But I do have some plans for the finished look, so I'm so excited. So I'm gonna take it and pack it into the crease, into the deep crease area. I'm gonna wing it out. Okay, so I was really trying to get the whole collection, but it sold out fast as fast AF, boy. No, but really, it sold out so quick. So I'm going to try my hardest when they restock to get the rest of the collection. I'm so thankful that I could get the palette though. This shade is freaking gorgeous. Alright, I feel like that looks pretty nice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make sure that I have this brush cleaned off because I don't want to have any muddying of the colors or anything like that because I forgot to clean my brush. I'm going to take my Morphe M507 brush and I'm going to go into the shade Chanterelle, which is this beautiful yellow shade. And I'm going to blend that out. I know that I've said it like a million times under her post or like under Colourpops. I don't know if I did on Colourpops, I can't remember, but I'm so excited for Kristi. Like, she deserves all the good things. She seems like such a great person. I love her so much. So to see that one of my favorite YouTubers was collabing with one of my absolute favorite brands and knowing that she loves them so much, I was just like, and I was watching her video, like when she was talking about it, and I just teared up. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I think I'm going to take my Sigma E25 brush just so I can have a little bit more brush for all this. I feel like that one's a little small, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with this one. Alright, so I'm going to take that Morphe M507 brush and a little bit more of Fiddlehead and go ahead and touch that shade up. am really, really, really liking this. I'm so excited. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take some micellar water on a Q-tip and clean it up real good. And then I have some exciting thoughts on my mind. I'm being weird. I know I'm being quiet too. I feel so tired today. I don't know. But I really wanted to do this so that I could get this up. So right now it is Thursday the 19th. I'm expecting this to be up Friday the 20th. So I'm going to be pretty busy this evening, like as soon as I get finished with everything. Alright, I'm going to clean this up real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my crease cut out. Well, I have it wiped with the Q-tip and the micellar water, but I'm going to take some eye primer to finish cutting it out. I do want to touch up this yellow though. I did add a tiny bit more of the green because I pretty much took a lot of it off. I didn't quite get the placement that I wanted, but it's like that sometimes, so making it work. Just gonna blend it out a little bit more. Alright, so I'm going to take my Morphe M421 brush, and I always misplace my primer, but I'm going to take my eye primer and I'm going to go ahead and cut out the crease. Alright, so I have it carved out, and I'm just going to make sure that I have all of that primer as even as possible. It is drying down rather quickly, but I don't want to have any creasing. And I am going to probably go back in and touch up that, probably going to go back in and touch up Fiddlehead in a minute. I just want to make sure that I have this nice and even. So, I'm going to take my, Elf and J Kiss J5 brush. I almost said J15. But I'm going to go into Fiddlehead and I'm going to kind of like connect this wing. I'm going to take it kind of sort of on the lid and connect it. And I'm just gonna kind of go in and touch up the Fiddlehead just a tiny bit in places that it's almost gone from me cutting out the crease. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna clean that off. So for now, I'm gonna take my Luxie Small Trader brush. I cannot talk today. And I'm going to go into Evergreen. This shade, excuse me ma'am, like, huh? It's beautiful. I couldn't help it. I swatched it before I was like figuring out what I was going to do. I was like, I need to figure out what to do. So I swatched Evergreen and I was like, I'm using that. That's what I'm using. So I had to. It's so pretty though. Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to pat it all over my lid. Look, it is so gorgeous. I really like, I can't even. I absolutely love this. Like, I don't know. I'm trying to have like the best fairy vibes. Like, I'm kind of getting some fairy vibes. So excited. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take that Elf and J Kiss brush again, and I'm going to touch up Fiddlehead a little bit more, and then I'm going to take some Chanterelle to like kind of blend out Fiddlehead. Alright, I'm going to take my Morphe M507 brush and a little bit more Chanterelle just to kind of like soften the edges of the fiddlehead shade, like where I have it winged out. And I've switched to my Sigma E25 brush just to really get it nice and blended out very softly. I'm taking a little bit more fiddlehead just to touch it up a tiny bit more. Alright, I feel like for right now, this is about what I'm feeling. I feel like this is it for right now. But I do want to go ahead and add a inner corner highlight before I forget, because I have been forgetting to add an inner corner highlight lately. So, I'm going to go ahead and take okay, I'm going to take a little bit of West Coast, which is this like really beautiful golden shade, and I'm going to apply that for the inner corner highlight. I feel like that's going to be like the, I don't know, I feel like this whole palette is wow. And I plan on filming some more with it in the near future, and once the collection restocks and I can like get the rest of it, I will definitely do like a full collection review and like another look. Just if you're interested. I mean, I'm interested. I think it'd be fun. But anyway, I'm just gonna give this a little pop here. Oh, good gosh. That is so pretty. I live. Alright, I am gonna clean that up with a little Q-tip real quick right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. But actually, time pause. Since I was not able to get the full collection for this, it sold out very quickly, I'm going to use the Beetlejuice collection by Melt Cosmetics, the Ultra Matte Gel Liner and the Afterlife for my waterline. I'm so excited. So, okay, now I'm really going to go do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the finished look. I threw on my little elf ears. I made some jewelry. As soon as I looked at this collection, I was like, I have to make some jewelry. So I made my necklace and my earrings. I'm so excited. I feel like it matches kind of like, I was just like, yes, we have to do some matching. But anyways, what do you think of the look? I feel like a little fairy. I love it. I love fairy looks. I was just like, I want to look as fairy-like as possible. I did one for Halloween and it was like one of my most favorite looks that I've ever done. So yeah. Anyway, my thought on this palette, I can't wait to get the collection like on restock. I'm going to get it. But this palette is absolutely everything. I did not expect anything less than absolutely everything, because I knew like Colourpop and Kristi would make it like the most badass thing, and that it definitely is. It is just amazing. I love it so much. For my lower lash line, I used let me see, for the waterline I used the Afterlife from the Beetlejuice collection in Melt Cosmetics, and I put that in the waterline. And for the lower lash line, I used a little bit of Homegrown and I blended that out with Puffball. So just pretty quick, pretty simple. I love it so much. I also used the freckle pen from Colourpop. I was like, I need some freckles. I probably didn't, but I just love them. I think they're cute, and I love the freckle pen. So yeah, let me know what you'd like to see next down below. I plan on doing another look with this, so if you have any ideas that you would like to see with it, just let me know, and I will try my best to get on that ASAP. Don't forget to use the hashtag SlightlyUnblended for your chance to be featured in an upcoming video. I will have my Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff listed down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!